How to transfer Google Play balance to Fampay. What's up everyone? In today's video, we're going to see if it is possible for you to transfer your Google Play's balance to Fampay. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is open up your Play Store to check. And from here you want to tap on your profile picture at the top right corner, and from here you can tap on payments and subscriptions. So if you've added any payment methods, it will show up right here, but you can check more payment settings as well if you want. Well, what you really want to do is go ahead and tap on help and feedback to check if there is any option to transfer. So here you are just going to search for transfer balance. So here you only see an option to transfer balance from your child's account, and there is no active way that you can transfer your balance to any other third-party platforms. So unfortunately, your balance will be confined within the Google Play's area, and there might be some occasional transfer which you can make to third-party apps, but you really cannot do anything with your Google Play's balance. So you will have to use it in app to purchase any kind of apps or games, and that's pretty much it. I will see you guys on the next one.